In this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor Composer to build an app. First, open Cursor and create or open the project folder for your app. Next, open Composer and describe the app you want to build, including its main purpose, screens, features, and preferred technology. Now, ask Composer to inspect the project and create a development plan before writing the code. After that, review the plan and make sure the structure matches what you want. Next, ask Composer to create the initial files and build the main app interface. Now, run the app locally and test the first version. After that, return to Composer and request specific changes, such as adding navigation, forms, authentication, or database functionality. Next, review every change Composer makes and check the code diff before accepting it. Now, test each new feature in the running app and fix any errors by describing them to Composer. After that, ask Composer to create or update tests for the main functionality and run the test suite. Finally, review the complete app, clean up any unnecessary code, and deploy it when everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Cursor Composer to build an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.